Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering everything down and removing the transmitter battery so no signal surprises occur. Next, remove any body clips or canopy. This exposes the battery compartment immediately, which saves time. Use a small Phillips or flathead right away to open the access panel and keep screws contained. Once the cover is off, visually confirm pack type and orientation so you know how it sits and which connector you'll be detaching next. You should now focus on safely disconnecting the battery connector. Grip the plastic housing and pull straight out to avoid wire damage. If Velcro or straps hold the pack, peel them back and lift the battery slightly to free any tucked wires. When screws or clips remain, loosen them while supporting the pack so it doesn't drop. As you free the pack, scan for swollen cells, melted insulation, or corrosion. These signs tell you whether replacement or special disposal. You lift the battery straight out, keeping the connector side aligned to avoid tugging wires, then inspect terminals and cell casings for damage or leakage. If you're installing a new pack, match orientation and connector type, seat it in the tray, and secure straps or foam so it won't shift. Once closed, power on briefly to confirm voltage and radio binding. Troubleshooting tip: if the car won't power, recheck the connector seating and measure pack voltage. A loose plug mimics a dead battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.